Papercraft Essentials is a wonderful publication from our friends at Practical Publishing, and we just received it. And what is great is that you're going to get a magazine with lots of ideas, but look what else you get. This is an embossing folder with a cutting die in it, also a matching stamp with some greetings. All sorts of goodies all together. And there are papers too. Now the papers have cutouts. There are 42 cutouts. Now if the thought of cutting them out kind of turns you off, never fear, because you get a pattern paper on the back side. So while there are 42 cutouts, there are also 6 double-page papers. So that's going to work out very nicely. So there you go. You get every single one of them 2 times. Okay. So let's look into the magazine and see what they have to share with us. And of course, they're going to really concentrate on that wonderful collection of stamps, cutting dies, and embossing folder all mixed together. So here are some ideas. And then you get an up close and personal look at every single one. I love this kind where you have either something that's suspended on a string, or you could also use foam tape, or how about the new wobble springs? Those would be fun too. So there you go. You can see all of that. In addition, they have some other techniques inside, and this is using a faux background, making it with cosmic shimmer is something that we would certainly use, but some fun ideas of putting a cutting die over the top of it, or a series of just outline dies, or stamping. That's just really fun. Isn't that striking? Just really good techniques that you can kind of add to your technique toolbox. They have a section called Pretty in Pink, and this is using the embossing folder. And notice this. This is a, I believe, a 4 or 5 inch square card, and the embossing folder, as you can see, is much larger. Well, they just use the top part of it. So it's nice to be reminded of that type of thing, and really, really fun. And have that stamped image on the outside, whether you want to color it or you want to leave it pretty plain, just leaving it as the stamped. And you're going to see all kinds of, not all kinds, but a few ads in here, and many of them are things that we carry. So here is another look at that embossing folder with the cutting die and one of the greetings just on a torn paper. So you can see the split image of leaving it white and on the back doing some inking. That's fun. And isn't that pretty as a shaker card? So lots of ideas, and a circle card with the background, the embossing folder, as well as the stamped image on top. So just lots and lots of ideas and lots of greetings and sayings and ways to use this. So Papercraft Essentials, we're happy to have it and really proud to say that it is a Paper Wishes exclusive item.